Hey folks, how y'all doing today? Hope you're having a fabulous weekend. Look, over at Lowe's, they're having a deal of the day, and it's gonna be on these 12 volt max tools, the Extreme 12 volt max tools. Again, I don't know much about it, ain't in the Dewalt line, but I know these are a good price. First up, we have this half-inch cordless drive impact wrench, $79 down from $169. I think that it has, I just seen it. It ain't gonna show me. It ain't gonna show us. Man, my computer is laggy today. Let's just go over here and see if it's on here. Yeah, 250 foot-pounds of tightening torque. It's got the 3-ring LEDs, brushless motor, of course, a variable speed trigger. Over here, looking at the 3/8 drive. Let's see if we got the specs right here, and apparently we don't. So yeah, so let's go down here and see if it works this time. Specifications. Here we go. It has 400 foot-pounds. That's the max. Usually they have like the breakaway, but yeah, I don't see that. But again, these are tool only. We also have the one-handed recip saw. It has a 5/8 inch stroke length. Again, $79 down from $169. On all these, you look like you're saving about $80 to $90. They have the 5 3/8 brushless circ saw. Let's see what kind of specs we got on that. Well, it's got the saw. It comes with the blade and the wrench. And we have, here we go, electric brake. Got the rafter hook. We have the optional dust collection, and with a bright LED. That's always a good thing, especially when you're cutting in the dark. That's funny, haha. But anyway, and then we have this multi-tool, $79 down from $159. On this one, we have the LED tool-free blade change, which is it's kind of pretty cool, you know. As long as you know it ain't as long as you use universal blades, I'd say that's good. It's got the variable speed trigger as well. Again, this is the 12 volt line. The batteries ain't included, but good prices. That's over at Lowe's. Remember, this is the deal of the day, so it's turned to a pumpkin here about 2 a.m., 3 a.m. Where I am, East Coast. Yeah. But I hope you're having a great day again. Have a fabulous weekend. It's kind of windy here, but so far no rain, so it's just hot. Very, very hot. But y'all take care. Appreciate you listening to me ramble, and we'll see you next time.